Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Homes with Shields. Check it out, guys. So today I'm going to be taking you through my first listing. It's in Stokesdale, North Carolina. It's 1,819 square feet. 3-bed, 2-bath. So let's get in here and take a look. All right, guys, like I said, we are in Stokesdale, North Carolina. It's in Guilford County, about 20 minutes from Greensboro. It is a corner lot on a cul-de-sac. So this is a dead-end road down there. Beautiful corner lot. It's 1.17 acres. As you can see, you've got a really nice sized 2-car garage here off the front with a bonus room up top. This home today is 1,819 square feet. Beautiful vinyl siding, raised panel shutters. Notice the brick staircase, the brick foundation, all that good stuff. This home was very well maintained, as you can see from the yard. You got the well there, good grass, nice paved driveway. So let's get in here and take a look. Before you get to that front door, you do have a concrete floored porch here, which is very nice, very durable. You don't have to worry about replacing rotted wood over time. I love the side lights here on each side of the door. Beautiful storm door as well, letting in that sunlight when you want to leave the door open. All right, so when you walk in, you have a true foyer. Check out them hardwood floors. Oh my goodness. Got the beautiful vaulted ceilings right here in the foyer. Just love the trim work on these columns. All right, and to my right is the dining area. Okay, you circle around here. And you also have a vaulted ceiling in here. So really tall ceilings throughout today. And then you are greeted by this humongous living room. Beautiful double window. Got the gas fireplace with that modern marble surround there. A really convenient, obvious place for the TV. It's just going to work and make sense. Now, on top of the double door, you got this beautiful glass door which opens up to the deck, okay? Good sized deck to throw a grill, do some entertaining. Got a little storage building back there. Again, this is well over an acre, guys, okay? So let's get back in here. Again, this is in Stokesdale, 7100 Holly Glen Court, Stokesdale, North Carolina. Just went active January 27th, 2025. Really tall ceilings, ceiling fans. All right, now what I love about this house and this plan is it opens up to the kitchen. Now, it's not just one of those wide open, almost two open floor plans. You've got some division, but you still feel like you're in the same room. So you got this really nice galley kitchen. The appliances do convey. And like I was saying, this vaulted ceiling kind of runs throughout the plan. So you kind of feel like, you know, you're still in that same space. So it's giving you that nice open feel. The white cabinets, which is what everybody wants, right? And then on top of that, you've got this beautiful little breakfast area here with the bay window, wraparound bay window. So you've got the dining room, the true dining area. You got a breakfast area. And I could just see you now kind of sitting here with a family watching TV, gathered around the fireplace. Now behind that front door is a coat closet. You can always make use of that. And then to my left is going to be that master suite. So let's get in here and take a look. I love how it's kind of buffered off of that main area. You just don't walk right into the bedroom off the living room. A single window, a double window. I don't think natural light's going to be a problem in here. Notice the 9-foot ceilings, the taller ceilings today make any space feel nice and airy and large. Here is that master bath. Got your double sink, big nice mirror. There's your toilet area. check out this tub. Oh my goodness. So you got your own soaking tub, got your own window there for natural light, which is nice. And then here is your shower, okay? So tub and shower in the master suite. And then the walk-in closet is large as well. Complete walk-in closet. I mean, this thing's probably, I don't know, 10, 12 feet across. And by the way, I'm gonna put all the room measurements, all that stuff down there in the description. I'll put a link to the actual listing. Also have a 3D virtual tour of this home. I can put the link on there as well for that. Again, this is in Stokesdale, right outside of Greensboro, North Carolina. Just love the trim work. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so the kitchen is there. We've already toured that. Before you get to the kitchen, to the right is your utility room, okay? Got the pull-down attic access for storage. Got your washer and dryer hookup. There's your dryer exhaust pipe there. A nice shelf for storage. It just makes sense, okay? And then this door leads you to that awesome 2-car garage that we were talking about outside, okay? So you got your water heater, an exterior door, some cabinetry, sheetrock on all 4 sides and the ceiling. Very nice. To my right, so this is the staircase to the bonus room. I'll save that for last. Okay. To my left, an additional, call it pantry closet. Lots of shelving there. And then this is the guest bedroom side of the house. So to my right and to my left, I have great size spare bedrooms, double windows, the tall ceilings throughout today. This room actually has the double closet. So you've got a closet here, and it actually feeds into that one, which has its own double door entrance, okay? Awesome. And then let's check out that third but not least bedroom. Again, a double window. Seems like every room in this house is well equipped with windows. Got your ceiling fan there. Nice walk-in closet there. Oh yeah. Great storage there. All right, so let's go check out that bonus room. So this is the bonus room over the garage. Would make a great man cave, entertainment area, craft area. Awesome, awesome. You do have storage there into the knee walls. All right, guys, so today you walked my first listing, 7100 Holly Glen Court in Stokesdale, North Carolina. If you have any questions, I want you to get with me. All my information is down there in the bottom. I want to thank you guys for the continued support and all the subscriptions. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. You're going to start to see more videos like this. I am a licensed realtor, so I'm going to try to be kind of introducing some, some existing homes that I'm trying to sell and stuff on here and switching it up a little bit. And so I just want to thank you guys for all the support.